In this tutorial, I'll demonstrate how to utilize the Google Authenticator app effortlessly. Let's dive in. First and foremost, head over to either your Google Play Store for Android users or the Apple App Store for iPhone users. Search for the Google Authenticator app and install it if you haven't already done so. Once installed, open the app and skip any introductory screens. Click on Get Started. Sign in with your Google account credentials. After signing in, you'll be prompted to add a code. You can either manually enter a setup key from your authentication settings or scan a QR code. Once added, you can manage your settings and authenticator codes by clicking on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. From there, you can handle settings, authenticator codes, and adjust time correction settings. That's all there is to it. Using the Google Authenticator app is quite simple. Thank you for watching.